Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from Dooney Bourke, the familiar packing tape. I wasn't planning to buy this one because this one is a Saffiano leather bag and I don't usually buy Saffiano. But I heard that their Saffiano leather bag is pretty good, so I decided to try it. And I can't resist when Dooney sent me those extra $20 coupon code. You can use it on top of their sales price, so it's excellent deal. If you are curious how to get the coupon code, I would suggest you create an account, have a profile with your email address and all that, store with I Love Dooney website, and then when you shop, you log into your account, you put things in your cart without checking out, and sometimes they would send you a coupon to encourage you to complete the shopping process. So that's how I got my coupon code. Let's put the no dark sticker this time. I was hoping for it, but no dark sticker this time. Let's open it up. Let's remove the cover here for the handle. It's so satisfying when you can remove this by just tear it off. So this is Dooney's Saffiano Janine bag. I have always wanted to try their Janine bag. Originally, I planned to buy their size 35. I think Belmar, that was under their Belmar collection, but I waited for too long. Again, sometimes if I like something, I think I need to just impulse buy, go for it, because I waited for too long and it was gone. So now I pick up this Saffiano leather one. They also have the pebble leather one, but I decided for this bag I want to try it with Saffiano leather, because I think with pebble leather sometimes it's soft and it's more pliable, and then it kind of get out of shape. With this bag design, I feel like you need that structure. To me, I love that, the shape of it, the form of it, and I think with Saffiano leather it will keep up with the shape better. I would say this is a medium-sized bag. Looking at it, it's really well made, just like any other Dooney's bag. I don't think I ever disappointed by their bags. You have the logo plate up front, nothing on the side, and at the bottom they have these leather strips and also the metal feet. This is how it looks from the top. Now let's look at the inside of the bag. To open it up, it's a magnetic closure. So this tab is a magnetic closure. You place it near and it will attach to it. This one is really strong. I remember buying another bag from I Love Dooney's website, and that one, the magnetic closure was really weak. So I'm glad to see that this one is actually really strong, will be secure. Not sure if you can hear the sound, very satisfying. Let's open it and take it out. Oh, and it does come with a strap. Almost forgot about it. So this is the key fob that hook onto your key. Inside of it, the front side, you have some slip pockets. It has some slip pocket. And then let's see, on the other side, it has a zipper pocket and a slip pocket. Let's try the zipper. See? Extremely smooth. I love it. Just so happy to have a well-functioned bag. So let's take all the stuffing out, and everything looks good. Wow! Come with multiple silica gel pack to make sure your bag doesn't get mold when they ship the bag. So that's really great. Let's close it. Let's open up this shoulder strap, crossbody strap, I think. Let's try it again. I just love doing that. I wish their crossbody strap or shoulder strap could be a little bit thicker, but I guess they designed this for women particularly, so they come with a skinnier strap. But since lately I bought quite a few bag straps, so I could use them on this bag as well. Let's hook on the bag. So for this bag, I would much prefer if they could put the crossbody strap D-rings on the side, but it's actually one at the front, one at the back. That's kind of one of the reasons why I didn't want to get the pebble leather version, because if it's a softer bag with this one at the front and one at the back, after you carry it for a while, it could kind of push it out of shape because of the pulling tension. So I think with Saffiano leather, it should be able to stay in this perfect shape better. So this is how it looks. Pretty lightweight bag. I was worried that with Saffiano leather, it would look kind of cheap, because some Saffiano leather bags, their texture just look cheap. But this one is actually okay. It looks durable too. You can hear the sound. So with Saffiano leather, I don't have to worry so much if I sit it on the ground or if it's raining. I think I could just wipe it off. I heard that if you spill something like drinks on the outside of it, you could just wipe it off. I'm not sure if this is real. Tell me if you have experience on spilling stuff on your bag. But I'm really happy with this one. I'm looking forward to see if they would come up with bigger size, different materials. I love it, and I definitely recommend this Janine. I know Janine has been getting more popular lately. If you are interested, I would encourage you to try it. Thanks for joining me for today's unboxing. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!